Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create an Patreon account. To create account, first go to any browser and search Patreon. Then go to their website. You will see this page. Go to get started. You will see several options to create your account with Google, with Apple, or with Facebook. You can also create an account with the help of your email. So I'm going to create my account by using email. So enter your email address here. After typing your email address, click on continue. They will tell you to write down your username. Then you need to type your password. After typing your password and your username, click on continue. Here they will ask you for the page name. After typing name, click on continue. Then they will give you an option for it for your URL. You can always change it, but I am going with whatever they are giving. Press on continue. Then fill the details of your YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or whichever platform you want to connect it with. Then press continue. And if you don't want to do that, then you can always click on skip for now. Here, as you can see, I have created my account successfully. Before launching your page, you need to verify your email. They will send an email to your email address. And now your account is ready. If you have found this video useful, then please like and share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.